Hello students of class 4th. Today we are going to do chapter 11 ICSE Social Studies Important Cities. Let's begin. Topics to be covered: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. It is the most important metropolitan city. Its official name is the National Capital Territory of Delhi (NCT). It has two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. Location and different names. Delhi is situated in the northern part of India. Delhi shares its boundaries with the state of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Climate. The climate of Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. May and June are very hot months. Dry and hot winds called Lu blow in these months. Government New Delhi has the offices of Government of India. There are also the offices of other countries in New Delhi. These are called embassies and high commissions. Famous buildings and places. The President of India lives in New Delhi in the Rashtrapati Bhavan and works from here. The Rashtrapati Bhavan has a beautiful garden called Mughal Garden, which is open for common people in the month of February for a few days only. Transport. The Delhi Metro has made the travel easier for the people of Delhi. One can go from one place to another comfortably by it. Religions and festivals. People from different religions live in Delhi. Hindus, Muslims, Jains, Buddhists, Parsis, Sikhs and Christians live here. So there are a large number of religious places for worship. Mumbai. Mumbai is a busy city. Its earlier name was Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. It is also called the financial capital of India. It was built by the British. It is situated on the west coast of India. Mumbai city is a big city. People from all over the country come here to seek jobs and work here. Location. The city of Mumbai lies on the western coast of India. It faces the Arabian Sea. It has the busiest seaport in India. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. It gets heavy rain during the monsoon. It is not very cold during winter. Government. The governor, the chief minister and the other ministers live in Mumbai. It has all the important offices of the state government, people and languages. The main languages of Mumbai are English, Marathi and Hindi. However, almost all Indian languages are spoken here. Food. The popular snacks of Mumbai are vada pav, pani puri and bhel puri. People of Mumbai are very fond of these snacks. Industries. Mumbai has many industries like clothes mill, oils, chemicals, medicines and electronic goods. Bombay High is that place in Mumbai in which mineral oil is found. Festivals. As Mumbai has all religions, it celebrates all festivals of India, but it is the most famous for Ganesh Chaturthi. Famous buildings and places. Mumbai is an interesting place for visitors. It has many places to visit like the famous Gateway of India, Kamala Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery, SL World, Tarapur Vela Aquarium and also many famous beaches like Juhu Chowpatty, Versova and Marve. Kolkata. Kolkata was built by the British and was the capital of the British India till 1911. It is the capital of West Bengal. Its earlier name was Calcutta. Location. Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. The hanging bridge on the Hooghly, Rabindra Setu, was earlier called Howrah Bridge. It is a center of economic and business activities. Climate. The climate of Kolkata is moderate. It's neither too hot nor too cold. Rainfall is heavy here. Industries. Kolkata is known for industries such like jute, silk, rice, chemicals, tea, mining and publishing. Famous buildings and places. The tourist spots of Kolkata are Alipur Zoo, Rabindra Sarovar, Belur Math, Science City, the Victoria Memorial, Fort William, etc. Government. The offices of the Governor, the Chief Minister and the other ministers of the state government are located here. Transport. The transport system is good in Kolkata. The main mode of transport are trains and buses. Kolkata was the first city in India to have an underground railway system called metro. People, food, festival and languages. Victoria Memorial Durga Puja at Kolkata. The main language of Kolkata is Bangla, but Hindi, English and Urdu are also spoken here. The most important festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja. It is celebrated for 5 days. The people of Kolkata like to eat rice and fish curry. Sandesh and Rasgulla are the famous sweets of Kolkata. Chennai. Chennai is the fourth largest city of India. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Its earlier name was Madras. Location. Chennai is situated along the southeastern coastal of India facing the Bay of Bengal. Chennai has two parts. First one is Georgetown, which lies in the north of the city. Climate. The climate of Chennai is warm all over the year. There is no distinct winter season. The cool breeze of the sea is pleasant here. Government. The offices of Tamil Nadu states are located in Chennai. The public services are looked after by the Chennai Municipal Corporation. Famous building and places. Marine Bridge is the main tourist spot in the city. The VGP Golden Beach is very much liked by the children. People, food, languages and festivals. Mostly people in Chennai are from Tamil Nadu, but a lot of them are from Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Karnataka also. The main languages of Chennai are Tamil and English. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. Industries. Chennai has very good industries of cotton textile and its people wear cotton clothes throughout the year. It has a film industry also. Thank you.